Good morning everyone, welcome back to another episode. I didn't record anything I did yesterday simply because I was just cracking on and getting it done, but we got all of the holes in the floor fillered, sanded, primered back, all the holes back there. So obviously last time there was massive great big holes in there, but they're all solid, ain't going nowhere. Stuck some new bolts in for the seats. I think I'll put a picture in where I put the seat in, because I put the steering wheel back in just to mock the seat up. As we've got some brand new, well not brand new, but R32 seats out of a Mark 5 Golf, which is pretty sick, so we're going to put those in. But today we are going to prime the engine bay, the scuttle, see what else we can get primed. Never sprayed before in my life, so I've got Dave down here helping me because he's sprayed, and yeah, let's just see what we can get done. Obviously I red oxide primered the whole entire thing to stop the rust from coming back last like a couple of months ago, and no rust has come back, so it's pretty much safe to prime now. All the frame rails and everything like that. Don't have to worry about covering up any of these holes because we're going to spray the inside of the car, and we are not worried about overspray. So in this brand new white tent into a grey tent, obviously we've got all of the windows taped. I ain't fucking pissing around moving windows and having to reinstall them. So we've got all of those taped up. Anywhere we don't want spray, i.e. the windows. But yeah, let's mix and paint up, crack on and get to it. Yeah. Right, so we need 400 mils of primer. This is either going to go very good or very bad. Oh my god. Oh. 40 mil, because you need to do it 90 to 10%, I think it is. 40 mil of thinners. This is going to be very hard to measure 40 mil. Oh, that's going everywhere. Oh, my hands smell of thinners. And then you need to stir that. How long do you mix it for?
Until it's mixed.
It's not going to leak out, is it?
Shouldn't do.
I feel like it's leaking out. Oh my god.
Yes, if you do first coat, right, just really light. Just then build up low for the next coat to thick.
So we've done a first light casting of the primer all the way around there, just to give something for a thicker base to stick to. So that's the first, obviously the coat done over there. So we're going to spray a heavier coat on now and cover up all the rest of these little red spots that haven't been done on the first dusting coat. And yeah, it's getting done. So we are done priming the engine bay. Gotta say it looks pretty sick actually, for the first time that I've ever sprayed anything. Obviously Dave came around to help, so he's got a little bit of knowledge. But yeah, this is what we're looking like now on the sprayed bay. Oh, well, primered bay rather. Quite uniform, quite nice. Spray gun didn't give us any problems at all. Put the wings back on, and then I also went ahead and primered in this driver's side footwell rather, just to get rid of the paint that I had in the gun, but that's come out quite nice as well. This looks so much nicer when it's in primer. It's just one uniform finish. Makes everything look so good. But yeah, that is where we're at with priming the engine bay. Everything's done in here. All the scuttle on there is done. But yeah, it's looking quite nice. I'm quite happy with how it's come out. Now we're going to move on to doing the seats, because the seats are disgusting at the moment and they need to be cleaned. This is what the driver's seat looks like. Grim. Obviously we've got a tear there, but I'm going to get the sewing kit out, sew that up. But yeah, just grim, faded, disgusting. The guy I bought them off said they'd been in the garage for about 2 years. They were in a Volkswagen Caddy before. Got the old R sign there. But yeah, after about half an hour and some good effort with that, that is how it's turned out. And I've got to say, obviously this is the passenger side, but that is fucking incredible compared to the other one. Like, a bit of elbow grease and a bit of cleaner and it comes out absolutely stunning. Just look at the difference in colour. Like, that one's grey and that one's like black. Looks so much better. So we're going to crack on and do the driver's side. And yeah, clean these seats up. Because they're actually really fucking comfortable. Like, they're better than my Audi S3 seats. Quite annoyed that they're going in the Golf, but we'll make them fit and we'll put them in. So this is just the passenger side. This is what has come out. That is criminal.
Do a shot.
That's like the primer. That's crim. Well, bottoms up. This is that video coming to an end. Obviously we primed the floor, primed the engine bay, and got these seats all nice and clean. Look how they came out, man. Look at the arm on that one. It's prominent as fuck. But yeah, just looking at these seats and realised that this side has got no seatbelt. So that's always brilliant. But yeah, look how they came out. I'm actually really impressed. I've been touching it and sitting in it, so it's got a little bit dirty now, but they actually came out really good. I'm actually really surprised. Paid 150 quid for these, but they're out of Mark 5 R32, so they've got all the adjusters, all the bolster adjusters, everything you could want. Bucket seats, obviously. But yeah, bringing this video to an end. Don't even know how long it is, probably 7 or 8 minutes. But yeah, if you did like, remember to like and subscribe. Adios.